Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries Siberia 800. In this video I'll show you the headset preview. Firstly, let's take a look at the headset itself. Right here on the left air cap, we've got the hidden microphone. Simply pull it to activate it and push it into the headphones to deactivate it. Now let's take a look right here. Open this cover, and here we've got two ports. Top port is responsible for sharing audio, and the bottom port is responsible for chat. Here we've got the power button. Press it and hold for 2 seconds to turn the headset on and off, and press it once and release to mute and unmute the headset. Now let's take a look at the transmitter. Right here on the top we've got the steering wheel, and also back button. You can go to menu to manage audio, source, profile and options. Take a look at the back of the transmitter. Right here we've got the optical out port, optical in port, USB port, chat out and analog in ports. Here on the left side of the transmitter we've got the dock for 2 batteries. Thanks to this port dock we can charge our batteries. Let's go back to headset itself, and now on your left air cap twist this cover left. Now you can take it out, and here is the second battery. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.